We are back with the latest on a cryptocurrency surge that's been gripping Wall Street since President-elect Trump won the election last week. Bitcoin hit another record high yesterday, topping $89,000 for the first time ever. CNBC technology reporter Mackenzie Sigalos is here with more on this. Hey, Mackenzie, good morning. So for a lot of people who are like, I thought like Bitcoin was a flash in the pan and we're over it, or everybody lost their money, or whatever people might think, help us understand that it is still here, it's going strong, and why Mr. Trump's election win is boosting Bitcoin.
Hey, good morning, Savannah. So much of this record surge in the crypto market comes down to investors pricing in a future where Donald Trump delivers on all his campaign promises to the industry, most notably making the U.S. the crypto capital of the planet. The president-elect has also said that all future Bitcoin will be mined in America, which is why you're seeing those Bitcoin mining stocks surge as well. He's talked about launching a national crypto stockpile where the U.S. government would build its own multi-billion-dollar Bitcoin nest egg. And perhaps most notably, he's pledged to implement some big policy moves that would make it a lot easier for crypto companies to scale their business and open the door for Wall Street to pour its money into the sector. That would be a game changer for crypto, Savannah.
What are analysts saying about how high this is expected to go this year?
Okay, so already the crypto market has added more than $700 billion to its market cap since Donald Trump took office, along with nearly 300 pro-crypto lawmakers in Congress. But Standard Chartered sees the total market cap more than tripling to $10 trillion under Trump. And as for where Bitcoin is headed this year, they revised their forecast from $100K to $120,000. Also worth noting, Savannah, there's also a rally happening in meme coins. You've got Dogecoin, which Elon Musk has pumped up in the past, surging 150% in the last week on the back of sentiment that Musk has been closely advising the incoming president.
One of Mr. Trump's campaign trail promises at one point was also to lower regulations on cryptocurrency. What does that look like, and why would people be excited about that?
Okay, so Donald Trump is talking about firing the chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, this is a federal regulator in the U.S. that has been coming down hard on the industry. We're talking more than 100 enforcement actions against crypto companies just since Chair Gensler came to power. Now, Trump is reportedly looking at some pro-crypto candidates to fill his shoes, which is why you've been seeing stocks like Coinbase and Robinhood shoot up, because they've both been dealing with legal fights with the SEC. Now, the other big promise here is rolling back another rule from the same regulator that basically stood in the way of big Wall Street banks like Goldman Sachs being able to hold Bitcoin on the bank's balance sheet. You do those two things, and suddenly the doors swing open to a surge of investment, which ultimately helps drive up the price.
If the president-elect follows through on these crypto promises, the digital currencies stay as high as they are, what kind of impact would that have on the day-to-day economy?
Okay, so Savannah, those spot Bitcoin ETFs have made it easier than ever for mom and pop investors to get exposure to cryptocurrency and to add it to their retirement portfolio. So prices going up is a real boost to a long-term investment strategy. And then that national crypto stockpile that I mentioned earlier, well, the pro-Bitcoin senator in Wyoming has introduced legislation that would make it possible for the U.S. government to use Treasury funds to buy more. She says that her bill would help pay down the national debt through this strategic Bitcoin reserve.
All right. Mackenzie, thank you so much for joining us on this. Good to see you.